Okay, good morning everyone. Today you're doing the same thing you've been doing all week, your activity logs. So remember right here, you're letting me know what type of activity you did, whether that be yesterday or you can even do today's video and count that as your activity. So write the type of activity down here and then how long you did it, or maybe you went out and played frisbee or basketball or something like 2 or 3 times yesterday. You can write that right there. And then your summary of the video. A lot of you are still only doing 1 to 2 sentences. Some of you are just giving me a couple words. So just remember that I'm not going to give you any credit. You're going to get a 0. It's either you get a 0 or 100. So 3 to 4 sentences about the video. Today you're watching The Body Coach again. It's just called a 5-minute move. Just a quick activity. And you can scroll through this and just see what he does or watch it or whatever. Let me know. You don't have to, but you can let me know how many rest breaks he takes, how long does he take them, what muscle groups does he work out, different things like that. Some of you are doing a good job reviewing the videos I give you. So just however you want to review the video. Again, it's only 5 minutes and 34 seconds long, so you can scroll all the way to the end. And then remember to write your summary right here, and then just your type of activity and time. Some of you guys are writing some things in the wrong place, so just remember to put everything in the correct place so I'm not kind of confused reading your assignments. And again, tomorrow is going to be a day for you guys to make up any work that you've been missing. You're not going to have a brand new assignment. So tomorrow is just going to be a makeup day, and you can get all that work done that you need to get done. If you have turned in late work and you are wanting to know what your grade is, just remind me that you turned it in late so I can go back and look at it, grade it, and make sure I get it into the grade book so you can see. If you have any questions, email me. But so far, so good. And remember to take attendance too.